Welcome to Fact Channels, where we're unraveling the secrets of world architecture with 10 captivating facts. Fancy a bridge made of paper? In Japan, the Shigeru Ban designed paper bridge was crafted entirely from cardboard tubes and paper. How about the fact that there's a house with no straight lines? The Hundertwasser house in Vienna defies geometry with undulating floors and quirky, colorful facades. In Russia, there's a building shaped like an enormous ship. The Arkhangelsk State Technical University looks like it's ready to set sail into the Arctic waters. Would you believe there's a skyscraper farm in Singapore? The Supertree Grove not only looks futuristic but also sustains vertical gardens teeming with vegetation. In the ancient city of Petra, some structures were cleverly carved directly into pink sandstone cliffs, blending human ingenuity seamlessly with nature. Ever heard of a stone compass that could fit in your backyard? The megalithic sundial at Macri Moor on Scotland's Isle of Arran tells time using just the sun and its towering standing stones. The Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem isn't just striking, its intricate tile work features over 14,000 designs and colors, a feast for the eyes and spirit. Stonehenge's precision is out of this world, its giant stones align perfectly with sunrise at the summer solstice, marking an ancient astronomical calendar. The Eiffel Tower almost became scrap metal. After its initial temporary permit, it narrowly avoided demolition thanks to its usefulness as a radio transmission tower. In China, the Fengjing ancient town once had over 52 bridges crossing its canals, a beautiful waterway web that earned it the nickname Oriental Venice. Enjoyed the facts? Smash that like and subscribe for endless curiosity.